Hello everyone. So this is the first part of what's going to be just two very brief video lectures that I want to cover and have you watch before we meet virtually today. Both of these video lectures, they're going to be very short. This is the first one. Are going to be using the Development in Clarity in Writing PowerPoint that is on Canvas in our current week. The reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want us to be wasting time when we meet virtually for me to lecture. I want us to focus more on our discussion of on-writing. Excuse me. So a couple things first that I just want to go over briefly. This video lecture is going to focus on stasis theory, which I didn't get a chance to discuss with you when we talked about when we talked about structure in the narrative arc. So stasis theory basically is it's another way to think about how to structure a piece of writing. So stasis theory is that at the beginning of a piece of writing, there's this place of stasis, of comfort. Something happens that disrupts that stasis that then puts us through the narrative arc, through the motions of whatever's going to happen. And then at the end, we come back to this we come to a new stasis. So you can think of, for example, your narrative essay. That's coming up. You were at this place of stasis in high school. You found out about this scholarship that you wanted to apply for, so that sort of disrupted that current stasis. So you worked to earn this scholarship that set the narrative in motion. You attained the scholarship, and you're happy and reflective, and you can save money by save some money going to college now, and there's this new place of stasis. So essentially, there's a place of normalcy, it's disrupted. This triggers the movement from the beginning to the end, and then we come to this new place of normalcy. I just want to sort of put that in the context of structure in the narrative arc. So it's the exact same idea, it's just a different way to conceptualize it. Everything is still true with stasis theory, that there's going to be an inciting incident that sets the movement forward, or this is what the disruption to the stasis. You still move up through the arc, you get to the climax, the main argument, the thesis, and then you go down to the ending. The ways that we discuss manipulating structure, this is all still true, okay? Stasis theory is just a different way of conceptualizing it. So that's it for this first video lecture. I know it was only a couple minutes. I just wanted to get this out there because we didn't have a chance to discuss it before.